How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app no internet connection problem. First, I will ask you to just open up the app like normally and try to use it. It should work. And if it still shows you like no internet, just restart your phone. Sometimes a simple bug causes the issue. The next thing is check your internet. It may be your internet is not working properly. That's why it's showing you this issue. In that case, the only thing you can do is connect your network to a stronger connection to fix it. The next thing is make sure Microsoft Authenticator app is up to date. Go inside App Store and update it to the latest version. Even after doing that, if it's still not fixed, you can open up your settings, click on general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset. Inside here, just click on reset at the bottom and choose reset network settings and reset your phone's network setting. Try to use the app, it should work. And if you're using any VPN, turn it off as well. Even after doing all of this, if it's still not fixed, the last thing you can do is delete the app and re-download it again, because a bug might be causing the issue. So doing that should fix your issue. And also check if Microsoft's servers are offline or not. If it is offline, that's the main issue, and you just have to wait until their servers are online again for it to work. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.